Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which institution recently launched the asset platform to support states in accelerating their green transition? A. Niti Aayog, B. National Green Tribunal, C. Botanical Survey of India, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Which state/UT recently implemented a graded response action plan 3 to combat air pollution? A. West Bengal, B. New Delhi, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. What is the new name for the Karimganj district in Assam, recently approved by the state cabinet? A. Shri Bhumi district, B. Lakshmi district, D. Dipu district, D. Maibang district. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. Where was the India's first Constitution Museum inaugurated recently? A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, B. Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, C. New Delhi, India, D. Sonipat, Haryana. Correct answer is D. Question number 5. Which ministry has established a permanent hub for National Security Guard in the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Ministry of Defense, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. Pamban, Pamban Bridge, which was seen in the news, connects which Indian cities? A. Chennai and Cochin, B. Howrah and Kolkata, C. Rameshwaram and Mandapam, D. Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Pandupal Hanuman Temple, which was seen in news, lies within which tiger reserve? A. Melghat Tiger Reserve, B. Kamlang Tiger Reserve, C. Namdapha Tiger Reserve, D. Sariska Tiger Reserve. Correct answer is D. Question number 8. Which Indian state has been recognized by the Wall Street Journal as one of the go-to global destination for 2025? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. In which city of Gujarat was the Climate Smart Agro Textile Demonstration Center inaugurated? A. Surat, B. Ahmedabad, C. Navsari, D. Vadodara. Correct answer is C. Question number 10. Omkareshwar floating solar project is inaugurated in which state recently? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. What is the name of the initiative launched by government on Veer Bal Divas to promote healthy living and combat malnutrition? A. Fit India Campaign, B. Suposhit Gram Panchayat Abhiyan, C. Bal Divas Abhiyan, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which organization launched a film series titled Ayush for All Holistic Health Care under National Ayush Mission? A. Ministry of Ayush, B. National Institute of Ayurveda, C. All India Institute of Ayurveda, D. Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which ministry launched the cashless treatment scheme for road accident victims? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Which state has achieved the highest number of hospital registration under the Ayushman Bharat scheme in January 2025? A. Haryana, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Question number 15. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister Mobile Operation Theatre to provide medical services to remote areas? A. Nagaland, B. Mizoram, C. Manipur, D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Which state government has recently launched Braille-enabled Indian Constitution? A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. The missing tribe is primarily found in which Indian states? A. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, B. Manipur and Tripura, C. Jharkhand and Bihar, D. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Which state government has launched bioengineering initiative to combat landslides with vetiver grass? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. Parbati 2 hydroelectric project is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 20. Which state government has recently launched a 4-day School Chale Hum campaign? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. What is the name of the mobile based application used to track Anganwadi centers across India? A. Nutri app, B. Poshan tracker, C. Midday meal, D. Nutrition watch. Correct answer is B. Question 22. Which state government has launched the Maternal and Child Sanjeevan Mission and Anmol 2.0 portal on World Health Day? A. Bihar, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question 23. Which state government has launched Bhu Bharti portal for land record management in April 2025? A. Jharkhand, B. Telangana, C. Odisha, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Question 24. Kokborok is recognized as one of the official state language of which state? A. Tripura, B. Mizoram, C. Nagaland, D. Manipur. Correct answer is A. Question 25. What is the name of the new portal introduced by government to monitor food storage depots in real time? A. Grain Tracker, B. Depot Darpan, C. Storage Suraksha, D. Bharat Bhandaran. Correct answer is B. I thank you and I hope you like the video.